Hello out there. Working when the shift starts, machining another part. Grinding for high tolerances, using strong solvents like carbon tetrachloride. Precision dyes, fluorescent lights, production lines. Output is high. Heaven help him if he suffers a work-related accident. Oil-resistant shoes, safety shield. He does his work on minimum wage, maximum yield. Protected eyes, power tools. For breakfast it's eggs, then he makes the legs for higher stools. No place for beginners or shaky hands. Over his work is where he stands. No place to be sitting or sloughing off. No need to ask, he's a lathe operator. In a suit without any style, a working guy. The motor purrs, the spindle turns. He grimaces and grabs his gut from painful heartburn. No place to desk or even a phone. Repetitive motion, deafening drone. Swollen and he passed up stone. No need to ask, he's a lathe operator.